Under the vast, sun-drenched sky, Benny, Lolo, and Coco thrive in their verdant paradise, their lives a tapestry of unity and unbridled joy. "I'm the fastest bullock in the whole meadow," Benny declares, his voice echoing with youthful exuberance. Lolo retorts with playful defiance. "Oh yeah? I bet I can moo louder than you." Coco, radiating pure delight, proposes, "Let's have a contest." Leo, the lion, lurks in the forest shadows, watching the bullocks with hungry eyes. A cunning plan begins to form in Leo's mind, a scheme to divide and conquer. Leo whispers to one bullock, "Benny and Coco said you're too slow to play tag." Leo whispers to another, "Benny and Coco think your moo is funny." In the tranquil meadow, Coco wanders, her head hung low, a picture of dejection. Suddenly, Leo bursts forth, shattering the peace as he chases Coco deeper into the forest's embrace. A similar terror unfolds as Lolo finds herself pursued, the forest now a stage for Leo's game. Benny stands alone in the meadow, his bravery faltering as Leo's shadow looms ever closer. Benny, with a surge of defiance, cries out, "Wait! I know your trick. You lied to us, Leo." In a desperate plea for unity, Benny declares, "We're stronger together."